Hi, Nancy from So Original. About 7 hours since the last video about sewing a 3-part bridal skirt. My last video I showed you laying out the 3 layers of satin and 2 layers of chiffon, and I had made a muslin, and now I've done all the cutting. So this is what we've got. I have it completely pinned all the way around, which I had to do to keep it nice and even. So my challenge is going to be, because we obviously want the top 2 layers of chiffon to hang independently and swing, and of course I have to do French seams. I have to take all these layers apart and do French seams, but it's going to be so important to keep, especially, well, they're all pretty much bias side seams from stretching, because when I put it together, it all has to be the same. So I'm gonna have to do a bunch of little tricks and things to keep all that from happening, but for now it's all secured with pins. Nothing's going anywhere until I have to start unpinning everything so I can put it together for French seams. And then finally the underneath satin seam, which will not be a French seam. That's it for now. I'll be sewing all night, so I'll see you guys later. Good night.